Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Payhip Digital Downloads. Review my usage experience. Payhip Digital Downloads Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for creators to sell digital downloads. It's aimed at individuals and businesses wanting to easily manage and sell their digital products online, such as ebooks, courses, music, or software. Key features include a storefront builder, payment processing, and file delivery. Their website provides details on pricing plans and features. Payhip boasts ease of use, transparent pricing with no hidden fees, and a focus on helping creators maximize their sales. They emphasize a simple setup process and readily available resources to guide users. Availability is worldwide, and you can check their website for specific details on features available depending on your chosen plan. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Payhip Digital Downloads. Review my usage experience. Getting started was a breeze. The onboarding process was straightforward, with clear instructions guiding me through setting up my store and listing my first product. The interface is intuitive and well-designed. It's easy to navigate and manage everything from product listings to customer orders. I uploaded several ebooks and a short online course, and the file delivery system worked flawlessly. The speed was impressive. Customers received their downloads almost instantly. I had a quick question about customizing my storefront, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, providing helpful and detailed answers. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, allowing for easy tracking of sales and customer interactions. The standout feature for me was definitely the built-in marketing tools, which helped promote my products. One minor drawback was the limited customization options for the email templates, but overall, the functionality was excellent. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Payhip. It met my needs perfectly and made the process of selling my digital products incredibly simple. That's my overview of Payhip Digital Downloads. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.